Triumph Factory Custom, or TFC, represents the most exclusive expression of Triumph motorcycles. Produced in strictly limited numbers, every TFC combines the individuality and presence of a hand-built custom motorcycle with the performance, engineering and reliability of a factory-developed machine. And now, the TFC badge returns. Introducing the new Triumph Speed Twin 1200 TFC. Limited to just 750 motorcycles worldwide and just 5 in New Zealand. This is the most exclusive performance-based speed twin ever created. At its heart is Triumph's legendary 1200cc Bonneville twin, producing 105 horsepower and a muscular 112 Nm of torque. But this is far from just a cosmetic special edition. Low-set clip-on handlebars, rear-set foot pegs, and a billet aluminium top yoke create a more focused riding position, while fully adjustable Öhlins suspension at both ends delivers greater precision, control and rider feedback. Brembo Stylema brakes, lightweight 7-spoke wheels, and Metzler Racetech RRK3 tyres complete the chassis package designed to make the Speed Twin feel sharper, more responsive and more rewarding to ride. Twin Akropovich titanium silencers amplify the distinctive sound from the 270-degree Bonneville engine, while Triumph Shift Assist, 3 riding modes, optimized cornering ABS and traction control bring modern performance technology to this timeless character. Then there are the details. Gloss carbon fibre bodywork, black leather and sports suede seating, gold anodized fork lowers, a gold chain, and the distinctive Obsidian Gold paintwork. Every motorcycle is individually numbered, laser etched into the billet aluminium top yoke, and supplied with its own signed certificate of authenticity. The new Speed Twin 1200 TFC. Handcrafted exclusively, elevated performance, and the pinnacle of Triumph's modern classic range. Triumph. For the ride.